Humans have relied on this single root for centuries, yet today we suffer countless ailments without realizing the remedy. What exact physiological changes occur in the stomach, joints, and metabolic systems when this tea is consumed daily? Welcome to the channel. Today we are decoding the biological journey of ginger tea to help you build a healthier lifestyle. Applying modern clinical science to historical traditions allows us to turn a simple beverage into a precise, intentional strategy for long-term health. The physical effects begin the exact moment the warm tea enters your gastrointestinal tract. The primary engine driving these benefits is a potent bioactive compound called gingerol. Gingerol immediately stimulates gastric motility, physically accelerating food through the stomach to directly relieve trapped indigestion and painful bloating. This rapid digestive regulation makes it highly effective at intercepting nausea, with clinical studies showing clear relief for pregnancy-induced morning sickness and for patients recovering from surgery. From the gut lining, these concentrated gingerol compounds cross directly into the bloodstream, expanding their biological reach to every major organ system. Once in circulation, they seek out and neutralize excess free radicals, which are unstable atoms causing oxidative damage throughout your cells. By clearing out these damaging compounds, ginger acts as a natural, over-the-counter anti-inflammatory, reducing cellular stress across the entire body. This systemic drop in swelling translates to tangible physical relief, specifically for those dealing with the joint degeneration and pain associated with osteoarthritis. That same reduction in tissue inflammation also helps alleviate everyday stiffness and general muscle soreness after physical exertion. Healing peripheral pain and joint stiffness starts far away from the joints themselves. It begins with efficient, clean absorption of these bioactive compounds in the gut. Beyond physical pain relief, ginger also reinforces the body's internal defense shield against microscopic threats. Its natural antimicrobial properties actively combat common bacterial strains, including E. coli, protecting the intestinal tract from infection. As a secondary defense, it neutralizes fungal pathogens like Candida and provides immediate, soothing contact relief for sore throats. Below this surface-level immune defense, the compounds travel deeper, entering the body's core metabolic regulatory systems. This graph tracks fasting blood sugar for individuals with type 2 diabetes over 12 weeks, demonstrating a sharp downward trend with daily ginger. We see a similar impact on HbA1c, a crucial marker for long-term blood sugar health, showing a corresponding percentage drop. As the ginger compounds circulate, they trigger a biological thermogenesis, safely generating internal heat that radiates outward from your core. This gentle generation of internal heat naturally boosts the body's resting metabolic rate. When applied consistently, clinical observations link this metabolic acceleration to reduced waist-hip ratios and improved overall weight management. The data shows ginger actively reprograms the body's long-term cellular and metabolic environment, creating a lasting shift in internal regulation. The clinical data is clear, but safely incorporating this into a daily routine means respecting the limits of your body's tolerance. In large, excessive doses, ginger will cause the exact opposite of digestive relief, triggering heartburn, throat irritation, and severe abdominal discomfort. Because it acts as a mild natural blood thinner, anyone facing an upcoming surgery or currently pregnant should consult a doctor before increasing their intake. For optimal, safe maintenance, consuming 1 to 2 cups of ginger tea per day is the recommended dosage. In that single daily cup, you are clearing the gut of trapped digestion, soothing inflamed joints, shielding your system against bacteria, and actively balancing your blood sugar. Let me know in the comments how you prefer to prepare your daily tea, whether you add lemon, a touch of honey, or drink it straight. If you want to keep exploring the science behind natural health strategies, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Modern clinical trials have scientifically validated the practices of ancient healers, proving through data that our daily habits dictate our long-term health.